Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit a check on the Bank of America app. To get started, you want to make sure that you're logged into the app, and then you want to click on Deposit Checks at the bottom. Then click on Get Started. Then go ahead and read through the terms and conditions. Then click on Accept, and then click I agree. And now we can go ahead and deposit our check. First, you'll want to take a picture of the front of the check, making sure that the check is in frame and has good lighting. Now on the back of your check, you want to sign it and write "For deposit only at Bank of America," and then you can take a picture of the back of the check. Once you finish taking the pictures, you then want to go ahead and select the account you want to deposit the check to, and then you want to go ahead and enter the amount that's on the check. Then you can click on Continue. Now you want to make sure that all the details here are correct. If they are, you can click on Make Deposit. And then there you go. That's pretty much it. You can go ahead and read through the rest of this and click on Done.